The Saved Carts feature on Supplyhouse.com allows you to save a built cart for future use. To save a cart, scroll down to the bottom of the cart page and select Save Cart for Later. Enter the name of your cart and ensure the box is checked if you'd like your cart to be cleared after saving. Then click Save Cart. You have the option to go to the Saved Carts page after you save a cart, or if you're logged into your Supplyhouse account, you can access the Saved Carts page from the Supplyhouse.com homepage. The Saved Carts page allows you to view all of your saved carts in detail by selecting the plus or minus sign next to the desired cart. You also have the option to email a saved cart, save a cart as a quote, delete a saved cart, or add a saved cart to your current cart when you're ready to check out. Then proceed to check out as usual.